Good day, everyone. I'm Ola May, and welcome to my channel. Today, I am actually going to switch out into my new Coach Rowan, Camouflage Coach Rowan. And I actually found some accessories to go with it, y'all. So, in my previous video, I did unbox the Camo print Rowan, as well as the mini skinny to match. But I have a feeling that I may not need the mini skinny. So let me show you why I say that. If I tell you this was very, very hard to find, I had no idea when I picked out this purse online that I really didn't know that it hadn't been long come out. I think it was out maybe a week or so. And then I did not know it was going to be that hard to find accessories for it. So I hunted down, y'all, and I found the actual large zip around wristlet wallet that goes with the bag. And that's why I said that I may not need the mini skinny, because if I can put everything in here and it fits well in the purse, then I won't need the mini skinny. So I haven't fully decided yet, but this is it. And the wristlet strap is detachable. And so what I'm going to do, I am going to switch out and actually move into this wallet. And I'm sorry, I didn't count the card slots. Just in case, you may already know, but in case you don't. So it has 1, 2, 3. Is that 3 or 4? 1, 2, 3. Okay. So 6 card slots on each side. It does have a slip pocket behind the card slots. And I can go ahead and take this paper out. And then, of course, it has a divider as well as a zipper. And it has the tag and everything inside there. And then it also has Coach right here as well. So I am going to move into this briefly, and I will be right back. Okay, y'all, I got my wallet fully full and switched out. I am going to put my mini skinny to the side. Like I said, I don't believe I'm going to use it. So I will make the final decision on that. And then I did get one more item that I was super surprised to see. And I thought that it was so cute. I found a keychain. So initially I thought that this was a charm. But I mean, after I got it, I kind of don't care. I'll figure out how to hook it onto my bag. But y'all, look, it is an actual lock and key. So once you push this little button here, the key comes out. So you have a 2-in-1. It's an actual valet key. And I thought that this was so cute. So technically, I could use this as a charm by itself. Or I could use this one as a charm by itself. Or if I did want to carry them together, and use them as a charm that way. So it does hang down a little bit. So I think I'm going to just choose one of them to use as a charm. So let's see. Which one do I want to use? I think the key is cute, but I think I'm feeling the lock more by itself. So I'm going to go with the lock. And I'm going to put this on here as if it's a key. Until I actually get a little ring to put on here so I can just snap it on. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And do it without breaking my nail, and I'll be right back. I did forget to give you all a good close-up of it, so this is a close-up. It does have Coach there at the bottom. On the little hang tag, has Coach there. And on the key ring as well. And then the little key, same, it has Coach there and on the key ring. So just wanted you all to see that. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, it took it was a struggle, but I got it on there, as you see. And I forgot to show you all, I do have the back with the chain already. This is a crossbody chain that I got from Amazon. And I believe this is my new favorite way of carrying it, or using it as an accessory and not just a crossbody chain. So I did that on another satchel, so I am going to continue using it that way. I think I like how that looks, and that way it has something going on in the back and a little bit in the front. I think that kind of balances it out. So let me get my strap from on the inside, and I thought about putting the key on this side, but I don't know. I think that may try to take away from the lock, so I'll just leave the lock by itself. And let me get my strap out of here. And I will link my unboxing of this bag. I will link that video below, just in case you have not checked it out. And y'all, I have the other wristlet. There's I believe it's a medium-sized wristlet. Excuse me. I found a medium wristlet for this as well, but I guess it's gonna take a while for like shipping, and I did not want to wait another week or so, so I'm gonna use some wristlets I already have in the meantime instead, and I can always just swap out those wristlets and use them later. Use the actual wristlet that matches this one, use it later. So just so you can see how well the large zip around wristlet fits inside of here, very easily. It doesn't take up any room at all. So there's a lot of space in this purse, even though it's considered a small or medium purse. And then I do have my plain leather. This was also featured in my Coach accessories video. And y'all, I think that's kind of what woke up the whole Coach fever again. But I'm gonna use this with it. And I'm trying to decide if I want to have my temporary wristlet until my wristlet that matches this one until it comes. I'm trying to decide if I want to use yellow with this or orange. Either one is definitely going to give it some pop. I'm kind of feeling the orange. The yellow does go with the gold more. I'll put it there. So you all can comment as well, especially since I'm going to switch out the wristlet. Do you think that that looks better with the orange and the black wristlet, or the yellow and the black wristlet? I don't know. The yellow kind of goes with the gold Coach and all of that. But I'll decide. Give me just a moment. Okay, y'all, so I went ahead and decided on the orange, and this is the color name is Flame, and it's by Nanette Lepore. I found this at TJ Maxx. It's also featured in a TJ Maxx haul video as well. So I decided on the orange to give it a pop of color, and I got it loaded, so I'll see how much room it takes up in my purse. And then I do have like gum and my what else is in here? Gum and my little sewing kit as well. I have that in here. So that's really it. I'm not gonna load it too much, but mostly everything fit in here, like makeup and my ink pen, lotion, hand sanitizer, my earbuds. So I got mostly everything to fit in here. So this will be easy to switch out once my actual wristlet that matches this comes. And when it shows up, I will probably either post a picture or make a short video with everything in it. So I'm going to put the thickest one in first. And then my wallet in. And then see how this one fits. If it fits. Might be a little snug, y'all. Might have to take it out. Let's see. Oh no, we're good. Simple setup. Not bad at all. That Nanette Lepore wallet holds a lot, a wristlet. So that's pretty simple. And then my I will put my planner. This is just a little weekly planner / notepad that I got from Dollar Tree that I usually keep just so I'll have something to write on if I need to. That fit right in the little side pocket. And my keys are, I can just put those on top. And that's it. So I can zip it on up. And I am ready to go. I could not get this to open wide enough to add on here. So I'm glad that I thought about getting this off of another charm and just using it. And I got it packed. But I am going to enjoy using this crossbody strap. I'm pretty sure that it's going to help as well with making it a more comfortable carry. But that's it, y'all. That's what fits in my Camouflage Coach Rowan satchel. And this is for Satchel September. So let me know, you all, what you think. If you like the charm. If you like the pop of orange color. If you like my little back belt necklace. I can call it a back bra. Let's see what I do to it, because it was lined up pretty cute a few minutes ago. Get it back right. Let's see. Feels like this is caught on something. Just a moment. Okay, I got it together back here. So I am done. So I hope you all like this what fits video, as well as accessorize with me, because that's exactly what we did. And I still want to know, you all, if you think the yellow looked better or if the orange fit right on in. And also if you like this the valet charm or keychain that I made into a charm. If you like this on it as well, I think it's cute. So I am ready to carry it. I hope you all like this video. Thank you so much for watching, liking, subscribing. And welcome to all of my new subscribers. I really do appreciate it. And thank you so much to my returning subscribers as well. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. And as always, have a very wonderful day.